What is up everyone, in today's video I will show you how to set up Brother HL4140CN printer or download and install drivers. So first of all open browser and then search here printer. Now click on official website. And here you can select a window and then click on OK. Now click on printer driver. Now here you can download your printer driver. After download your printer driver, then open your downloaded files and here you can install your driver. Now here you can see it will be installed. Now go back and open settings and then click on printer drivers. Now click on add printer and then click on add manually. Now follow these steps for add your printer. Now here you can see printer will be added.